major cracks in the support for Sasikala emerging today, with two AIADMK MPs and Education Minister Pandya Rajan joining the OPS camp. Remember, he was a very vociferous supporter of Sasikala, and there you can see him as he's been greeted by Mr. Paneerselvam. And a short while ago, another leader, Ponnayan, also joined the OPS camp and said that it was the cadre that must decide on a general secretary.
இன்றைய சூழலில் அனைத்து இந்திய அண்ணா திராவிட முன்னேற்ற கழகத்தையும் கழக ஆட்சியையும் தொண்டர்களின் விருப்பத்துடன் கட்டுக்கோப்புடன் வழிநடத்தும் தகுதி படைத்தவர் மாண்புமிகு புரட்சித் தலைவி அம்மா அவர்களால் ஏற்கனவே முதல்வராக தேர்ந்தெடுக்கப்பட்ட மாண்புமிகு பன்னீர்செல்வம் மட்டும்தான்.
Well, joining us, Mr. Pandya Rajan, who's now thrown his weight behind the OPS fraction and saying that the people are in favor of him continuing as the Chief Minister. He's joining us. Sir, what made you take this decision? Because you're one major face that has now thrown his weight behind OPS.
I've always been a follower of Amma. Amma is the one who brought me into this party 3.5 years back when she invited me, and she vested me with so much of responsibility. I got elected from Avadi for the second time, and then of course gave me the ministries, many of them, and of course GST Council and everything. So when Amma passed away, the only thing which was uppermost in my mind is to live her legacy and ensure that her legacy lives forever, and my only commitment was to AIADMK staying together. So we got quickly inducted the new ministry under Mr. O. Paneerselvam, and the 60 days, I think we've given a governance which Tamil Nadu will always be proud about, and Amma will always be proud of. And I think the only way AIADMK can go out and seek votes will be with a leadership like Mr. O. Paneerselvam. That's what I felt. The last 7 days, for instance, I must have got over 7,000 calls from the constituency I represent, from the whole of Tamil Nadu, from actually Tamils around the world. You'll be surprised there are more than 100 calls from around the world, people talking about how all of us should stand behind Mr. O. Paneerselvam, and his leadership has gained an aura which really, really is historic. And to me, that's the reason why I chose to commit myself to the leadership of Mr. O. Paneerselvam, and I believe that the entire party rank and file is behind him. You would see this huge crowd out here, the milling crowds who have come from around the country, and every branch secretary, every member of the party is coming in to make their commitment to Mr. O. Paneerselvam, who they believe will lead on the legacy of these two great souls.